Judge Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brandonville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McAdoo, Oneida, Grier City Park Crest, Delano, Nuremberg, Shepton, Brandonville, Ringtown, Solaris, Weston, Park Place, and Trenton. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 133 to 139. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Here is the regional weather forecast.